Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I have the sweetest subscription box for you guys. It's our favorite Flick box. It is a chocolate subscription box in case you guys haven't seen the previous videos, and I have two amazing offers for you guys today. So stay tuned till the end.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
So this is how the box has reached me, and I have not even opened the box yet. So just for having that much of dedication and patience guys, you must like this video. So let's quickly open this together. So this is how the box looks like. It says Flick box unbox happiness. That is definitely true because chocolate always makes me happy. Here they say follow them on social media handles, and here they have a disclaimer that says please refrigerate before consumption, and this is very essential because these are chocolates and they are prone to melting on the way, so you should definitely refrigerate the box. And I also like the shape of this box, right? It is quite unique, and these are all the things inside. I can see two lints inside and I'm so excited. Let's open these. Oh my god, oh my god. So as we saw, there are two Lindt Excellence chocolates inside this box, and I'm really happy because these are really premium quality Swiss chocolates. I love these chocolates. The first one here is the mint intense flavor. I have already tried this. It has a minty taste to the chocolate and I really like that. It is the dark chocolate variant. And this one here is a Noir variant. Here are some details about the chocolate. If you want, you can pause and read this, but I don't need to check the details. I know these chocolates are absolutely delicious and I love them. Getting two Lindts in a box is definitely amazing guys. I could not be happier. And then I've got another favorite of mine. This is the Hershey's Cookies and Cream, and I absolutely love this. This is one of my absolute favorite chocolates, forever favorite chocolates. Even more than Lindt, I like this. This has a white chocolate with Oreo kind of cookies inside it. It's very tasty. I absolutely love this. And then the famous Ferrero Rocher. Who does not like this? These are famous. You would have already had this. They are delicious and everybody loves them. So far I'm loving all the chocolates. These are really expensive and gourmet brands and chocolates. So getting them all inside one box is so nice. And if that was not enough, we have a Toblerone as well. This one I have to pick it every time I go to airport. I love this one here. And we have a packet of M&Ms also. M&Ms are easily available in India now, but earlier I used to love getting these. I used to ask my relatives and everybody to get these because I love these. These are colorful, these are fun to eat. I definitely am happy to get that packet of M&M. Then there is a Snickers pack here. This is their crispier variant. I have not tried this. I have had the peanut Snickers and I like the crunchy chocolate, so like the Dairy Milk Crunchy and all. So I think this is going to be like that. So definitely I'm happy to receive this. Very excited to try this. I think I'm going to eat this first because I have not tried this. Then we have this chocolate from Solin. This is the crisscross chocolate. I have tried this. It is really tasty. I like it. Then here we have this Go Fresh cocoa coated wafer with milk cream. It is a 20-gram chocolate. This also I have had before and this is also really nice. And finally we have these 6 individual chocolates. These are coffee flavored and by a brand named Bifa. These are vegetarian chocolates, eggless chocolates. And last time I got some chocolates like this and they were also very tasty. So I'm definitely happy with these two. So this time we have got so many chocolates. There's literally an overload of chocolate this month. This is the biggest box of chocolates I ever received till now. The one we unboxed right now is their giant variant. They have 3 variants: mini at Rs 595, medium at Rs 870 and giant at Rs 1145. This giant costs 1249 including shipping, but I have a coupon code using which you can get a flat 200 rupees off on this entire box. So you can use coupon code SONAM200 to get this entire box at just Rs 1049 including shipping, which I feel is an absolutely amazing deal considering all the awesome Gourmet International chocolates we have received this time. There are 2 Lindt, one Ferrero Rocher, Hershey's, Toblerone, M&M, Snickers. Like, what is not there? And so many chocolates in one box. Definitely a great deal. The Lindts will cost you around $1,000. The total worth is definitely much more than what you pay. Although the chocolates will be sent randomly for different boxes, the net worth would be around the same for all the boxes. So you will be getting chocolates around the same worth as you see here. And the second deal I have is even sweeter because you get more chocolates and more discount. You can get a mini at 50% off if you're getting it along with this giant. So you get a discount of $325 on the mini and giant combo, which is super awesome again. If you love chocolates, the second deal is definitely a better one. But if you don't have kids at home and are trying to diet, etc., although chocolates in moderation do help you in losing weight, but if you don't like chocolates much, you can get the giant at 200 rupees off using the coupon code SONAM200. I am definitely impressed with the box. I loved everything. I have got most of my favorites and some new ones also to try out. So excited and quite happy. I love chocolate and honestly I like the good ones. Even though a bit expensive when bought individually, they are worth it. Much better than the store-bought ones, and I wouldn't really compare the gourmet chocolates with the homemade ones. These chocolates are a class apart, superior quality, and in Flickbox we get it at a very good deal. So I love this box. Chocolate is something that you eat in limited quantity and it is best enjoyed when the quality is great. At least that's how it's for me personally. If any of you are interested in getting this box, then direct link to their website is in the description box below. Please do check it out. You will find all the coupon codes there, and I will also leave a link to my previous Flickbox video where I have given a website tour and explained in more detail about all these things. So you can check that out too if you like. I am not tasting these chocolates and telling you because I have already tasted them and they are amazing. I know that. So I don't need to try them out. So that will be all for the review of Flickbox in this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.